Hello viewers, welcome back to WealthWisdomHub, your go-to channel for insights into the world of finance and business. Today we have some exciting news to share about two major players in the digital space, Zomato and Stripe, securing the final nod from the Reserve Bank of India to operate as online payment aggregators. This development not only highlights the evolving landscape of digital transactions, but also sheds light on how companies are strategically expanding their offerings within their ecosystems. So buckle up as we dive into the details of what this means for Zomato and Stripe and the broader implications for the Fintech and e-commerce sectors. But before we delve in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update on the finance. Now let's get started. So, let's see the news first. Payment delivery platform Zomato and international financial infrastructure provider Stripe are the latest entities to have received final approval from the regulator to operate as online payment aggregators. While Zomato received the nod from the RBI on January 24th, Stripe got the go-ahead on January 15th. In a filing with the BSE, Zomato said on Thursday that its subsidiary Zomato Payments Private Limited had secured clearance from the RBI to operate as a payment aggregator and issuer of prepaid wallets. The question arises, why Zomato wants to be a payment aggregator? According to a source briefed on the matter, the Gurugram-based company is not looking to enter the fintech space as a standalone player, but it's securing these financial services licenses to augment offerings within its own ecosystem. In 2022 also, Zomato had incorporated NBFC and had applied for a license to offer lending products to its restaurant partners. What is a payment aggregator? So a payment aggregator is a service provider that allows businesses to process card payments and mobile transactions without setting up a merchant account with a bank or a card network. Instead, the aggregator manages one merchant account and combines all its clients under this umbrella account. The payment aggregator can be a bank or a non-bank entity. Since a payment aggregator handles funds, it requires a license from the Reserve Bank of India. However, only non-bank payment aggregators or PA requires unique authorization from RBI. This is because handling funds is considered a part of the normal banking relationships for bank PAs. So only the non-bank entity PAs they are required to obtain the separate approval from the RBI, and the bank PAs that approval is considered inbuilt into their banking license. Now, what is payment aggregator versus payment gateways? What is the difference between these two? A payment aggregator offers the customers various payment options, so a merchant does not need a separate integration system. A payment gateway is a company that provides technology infrastructure to facilitate online payment processing. So the main difference between payment aggregator and payment gateway is a payment aggregator handles funds while the gateway only provides the technology. I think the difference is clear to you now. Let's move on. So what are the advantages the payment aggregator have got? The first is higher administrative and processing fees and tax payment aggregators advantage. So they are poised for earning higher processing fees, and with the increasing amount of online transactions in India, they are certainly going to be benefited. Second, payment aggregators also enables businesses to accept a variety of payment methods. So what is this? Like they enable the businesses to accept payments from methods like credit card, debit cards, net banking, and mobile wallets. This gives customers more payment options, which improves their overall shopping experience. Payment aggregators also offer enhanced security features like fraud detection and prevention, encryption, and secure data storage. This ensures that the customer data is safe and secured against cyber threats. Payment aggregators also facilitate faster settlements, allowing businesses to receive payments quickly and efficiently. This improves cash flow and lowers the risk of payment delays. Another advantage is lower payment processing cost. Payment aggregators provide competitive pricing models, allowing businesses to reduce their payment processing cost. This is especially advantageous for small and medium-sized businesses that may lack the resources to manage multiple payment channels. The last advantage I can say is improved customer experience. Payment aggregators provide customers with a seamless and convenient payment experience, enhancing their overall shopping experience. As a result, customer loyalty and repeat business increases. So we have seen that there are multiple advantages for a payment aggregator, but there are some disadvantages also, and we can say difficulties faced by payment aggregators. So the first difficulty is fraud prevention. Fraud prevention, nowadays, the fraudsters are using innovative ways to cheat customers, to siphon off the money, and keeping your systems up to date takes a lot of efforts and cost. So that is one of the difficulties. Also, payment disputes. Many times, customers they get into dispute with the payment aggregators and the merchants. Then handling these disputes is also a challenge. Payment failures due to sometimes the technical issues, payment gets failed. So handling and settling those are also a difficult task for payment aggregators. Now we'll see how do payment aggregators work. So the payment aggregators, first they onboard the merchants. Basically, the payment aggregator receives funds on behalf of the merchant. So PA uses its acquiring bank to receive money from the customer. So payment aggregators do all the checks and authorizations from the card companies and helps bank to settle funds for merchants and credit fund to their account. So this is how merchant receives money through PA from the customers. Now, what are the types of payment aggregators in India? So basically, there are two types of payment aggregators. One is third-party payment aggregators, and second is bank payment aggregators. For now, there are 37 existing payment aggregators, such as Zomato, Amazon Pay, NSDL, PhonePe, among others. So these are, I should clarify that these are third-party payment aggregators and not bank payment aggregators are separate. Now, what are the guidelines by RBI for payment aggregators? So, RBI has come up with the guidelines for payment aggregators. So, the first condition is that the payment aggregator company should be a company incorporated in India under the Companies Act 1956 or 2013. Payment aggregators, they should have a minimum net worth of 150 million as of March 31st, 2022, a net worth of 250 million by the end of March 31st, 2023. And if they are incorporated now, they should have a net worth of rupees 250 million. That is approximately $3.02 million. So, and this capital net worth should be maintained at all times thereafter. So, and before granting the license, RBI also checks the corporate governance and the track record of the company, which is very important also. Now, what is the conclusion? We can say that with the continued growth of online commerce and the increasing demand for seamless and secure payment solutions, the future of payment aggregators are bright in India. So, friends, as we wrap up today's discussion, it is evident that the approval granted to Zomato and Stripe by the RBI marks a significant step in the direction of financial inclusivity within the digital realm. The move not only empowers these companies to streamline payment processes, but also signals a broader trend of convergence between tech and finance. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of online transactions, it's clear that payment aggregators play a crucial role in simplifying the payment journey for businesses and customers alike. If you found this information valuable, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, subscribe for more insightful content from Wealth Wisdom Hub. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. This is Wealth Wisdom Hub, and I'm Pawan signing off. By the time, take care. Bye-bye.